Hello there and welcome to another video, and today in this video I will be going over how to convert your Wix website to WordPress in 2024. And if that sounds about right, then let's dive right in. Alright, so the first thing you'd want to do is to of course log into your Wix account and also log into your WordPress account. So over here, this is a list of sites I've created recently, and as you can see, there's this one right here, which is the most recent one. What you would want to do is to click on this three dots right here by the side, and you should be able to view live sites. So I'll just click on that and it will open in a new tab. Alright, so as you can see, this is the site and the content of the site. So what I will do is to copy this address like so, and we'll head over to WordPress. And what we are looking for is under tools, and within tools we're looking for this import right here. So we'll click on it and this should direct us to the import window. Alright, so this is a list of sites we can import. You can click over here to check the full list, but we'll just go with this one since it's we're looking for a Wix account. All right, so paste that in and click on continue. Right, so for some reasons you can see right here it's giving me a 403 forbidden error. That's okay, you might see this, but no problem. All you have to do is just click on this start import right here. Alright, so as you can see right here, it says the import was successful. So all you have to do is to click on view site and you should be able to view your current site. Do note you might need to apply a template or a theme rather on that particular site, because it will import the content itself and not the theme you're currently using on your Wix website. So that's it, that is the end of the video. And if this video did give you some insights or tips on how to go about the process, then feel free to give this video a like and of course subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in another video.